And when World War II came along, I was in college. It was a Sunday morning in Back Bay, Boston, behind Emerson College. We were rehearsing a play when somebody came running down a fire escape to say that they had just bombed Pearl Harbor. I couldn't wait to enlist.
Yeah, I'm curious about that period. I mean, how much did you know about what was happening to the Jews of Europe, in at the beginning of the war before?
I don't feel I knew a lot, but I knew for a couple of years before the war that I don't remember how much I knew, but I knew for sure. I'm toying in my mind with the word persecuted. Did I know the word persecuted at that time? Or did I think they were just they didn't want them living there and Jews were coming to America? But sometime before I actually joined this, and enlisted, I knew that persecution was an applicable word. My desire to, I wanted to enlist. My mother begged me not to, and I didn't for, I don't know, maybe the better part of a year as a result of her saying she'd die if I did. And finally I couldn't resist at the expense of her, everything she said that would happen to her if I enlisted. And I called her one day, I was at Emerson, and I said, I'm enlisting, Mother, I just have to.